What is up? Today is Monday, sitting home bored, so I decided to do a little install on the Miata. I am going to actually install this coolant reservoir that I got from Moroso. Super nice quality. Should be pretty simple to install. Let's see how it goes. Just got the hood popped here. This is a piece I'm going to be replacing with this. Should bolt in perfectly, match all the stuff I have going on. I do want to polish the valve cover and get an intake and all that soon, as well as start the wire tuck, so should be pretty nice when I'm all done. Super stock right now. Got my 10mm socket. This should be all that I need to do it with. Clean up what I can underneath it. It's already super clean, but might as well while it's out. Now I just replaced the coolant that was in the other one. Basically filled this up a little more than what the other one was with some fresh coolant. And now I'm going to put it back in. Finish her off with a little bit of this, and then I'll be done. Maybe I should start doing some sort of Miata mod Monday. Let me know what you guys think. If you haven't already, subscribe. I'm going to be doing the first giveaway at 100 subscribers. I'll probably give away a set of the floor mats, so keep an eye out for that. Super easy little install, I know, but maybe I'll start doing some more Miata Monday stuff. Like I said, if you want a chance to win the floor mat, subscribe, and I will see you next time.